Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the trigger bread with no flour quest in Heartopia like this. In the Winter Frost event week 4, there's a quest where you need to trigger bread with no flour like this. It sounds confusing, but it's actually really easy. First, just go to your house and then just start cooking any food that you want. Just keep cooking repeatedly, and what you are waiting for is a special notification that appears at the top of the screen saying meal with no rice. And when you and when and once that notification pops up, the quest will be instantly complete. So just keep cooking until the meat with no rice notifications appear on your screen, on the top of the screen. And then for the important tip, if your cooking hobby level is still low, these notifications can be pretty hard to trigger. So just try leveling your cooking first. Usually around level 2 or level 3 makes it much easier. And okay, that's it. No special recipe, no special ingredient, just cook until the event triggers. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.